Hello children, now we will start from this topic, structure of some electrovalent compounds. Electrovalent means they will form their ions, positive or negative ions. They will lose their electron or gain the electron. By losing or gaining, they will form one kind of bond, that is ionic bond or electrovalent bond. So let's begin from first of all sodium chloride. Its formula is NaCl. So here we have written sodium, its symbol Na, atomic number 11 and electronic configuration, that is 281. And of chlorine, atomic number 17, electronic configuration, that is 287. Now here we are seeing that in sodium 1 electron is extra, means sodium has to complete here 8 electrons so that its octet should be completed. To gain these 8 electrons, either sodium will gain 7 more electron or it can lose this one only. So it's easy for sodium to lose 1 electron from its valence shell and it will acquire the nearest noble gas configuration. Its nearest noble gas is neon. So by losing 1 electron, sodium will change into sodium ion. It has removed 1 electron, so plus 1 charge will be there. Now electronic configuration of sodium ion, that is 2 and 8. And on this side, chlorine has to lose these 7 electron or gain 1 electron. So it's easy to gain 1 more electron. Then electronic configuration will be 288. Now its valence shell, last shell is completed. Its octet is completed. So chlorine has gained 1 electron. So it will acquire -1 charge. So two kind of structures will be there. First is dot structure and second one is orbital. In dot structure you will simply write symbol and last valence electron, only 1. Symbol of chlorine, valence electron, these were 7. So here we will show sodium will lose 1 electron and chlorine will gain 8 electrons. Now sodium, it will have only these 2 and 8 electrons. So this is dot structure. For orbital structure, we will draw the nucleus also and all the orbits. We have drawn here, this is the nucleus of sodium. In first shell, K shell, there are 2 electrons. In L shell, there are 8 electrons. And last shell, there is only 1 electron. And in case of chlorine, this is the nucleus. First shell 2 electron, second shell 8 electron, and third shell or valence shell, it will have 7 electrons. Now this electron will given to chlorine. Now sodium will have only, you will remove this orbit because electron has gone. So simply we will write here sodium with its 2 orbits, it will acquire positive charge by losing 1 electron, and chlorine, it will acquire negative charge. So this is the orbital structure of sodium chloride. In dot structure you can also write here sodium positive charge, chlorine negative, and bond will be sodium chloride, NaCl. Now next structure is of magnesium chloride. We have written here symbols of magnesium and chlorine. Atomic number of magnesium is 12, chlorine, that is 17. Electronic configuration 282, 287. Now magnesium will lose these 2 electrons and it will have second shell, that is its octet is completed. So magnesium will lose 2 electrons, so magnesium will carry here 2 positive charge. In case of chlorine, chlorine needs only 1 electron. So 1 electron it will gain from magnesium. Now chlorine will carry negative charge. But magnesium has lost 2 electrons. So 2 chlorine atoms will be there. 1 electron will be shared by this chlorine, and second electron will be by another atom of chlorine. So its formula will be this valency 2 we will write here. So structural formula we will draw later. Molecular formula, that is MgCl2. Let's discuss its dot structure first of all. 2 valence electron of magnesium we have written here as 2 dots, and chlorine valence electron 7 and 7. 1 electron will be gained by this first atom of chlorine and second with second atom of chlorine. Now magnesium will carry +2 charge by losing 2 electron, and both chlorine atom they will carry -1 charge. Now its formula will be MgCl2, magnesium chloride. In orbital structure we have drawn here orbits of magnesium and both chlorines. Then 1 electron of magnesium will be given to both atoms of chlorine. Now magnesium, its last shell will be removed because both the electron has gone from here. Now we will draw magnesium with 2 orbitals or 2 energy shell only because this last shell has been removed. So chlorine, they will have now 8 electrons. Their octet is completed. And you can also write here +2 charge, and you will draw here structure of chlorine with -1 charge, another structure of chlorine with -1 charge. Now next structure is of calcium oxide. We will write here symbol of calcium and oxygen. Atomic number of calcium is 20. Its electronic configuration will be 2882. And electronic configuration of oxygen having atomic number 8, its electronic configuration that will be 2 and 6. Now 2 electrons from its valence shell, it will lose these both electron, and both electron will gain by oxygen. So calcium will carry +2 charge and oxygen it will carry 2 negative charge. While you will write the molecular formula, then only CaO will be there because both +2 and -2, these charge will cancel each other. So molecular formula will be CaO. In orbital structure, you will draw 4 shells of calcium, and last 2 valence electron they will be gained by oxygen. Oxygen now having 6 electron in its valence shell, in its L shell. After gaining and losing electron, calcium will carry +2 charge by removing 2 of its electron from the valence shell, and oxygen it will carry 2 negative charge. Now in last shell of oxygen there are 8 electrons. For electron dot structure, simply you will write here only valence electrons of calcium and oxygen. 2 valence electrons of calcium that will be gained by oxygen. Now oxygen will have 8 electron in its last shell, and calcium also having 8 electron in its valence shell or last shell. Calcium will carry +2 charge and oxygen will carry -2 charge.